Hello, Glenn here from Franchise Buyer at the Sydney Franchising Expo. We've got the Xpresso Mobile Coffee Van here, and it's a fun fact for you, the Xpresso Mobile Coffee Van video on our YouTube channel, the one we did a few years ago, is one of the most viewed videos on our YouTube channel. So we thought we'd do another one of their brand new 2021 van. So Jonathan Payne, the founder of Xpresso Mobile Cafe, is going to take us through his van now. Over to you, Jono.
Hey guys, we are here finally, 2021 Sydney Franchising Expo. It is going off here. So good to be here with our fellow brothers and sisters in the industries, but we're not here to talk about them, we're here to talk about Xpresso. What we got here is the 2021 LDV G10 Xpresso Mobile Cafe. It's pretty awesome. Let me take you around. What we've done differently with this fit out is we've moved our cups and lids to the south. They were sometimes a little bit troublesome to get with the signage, so that's changed. We still love our Frappuccino coffee machine. There's been a partnership with them for years, fantastic. What we've added here, guys, is a puck press. These are fantastic. What's a puck press? An auto tamper, so no more inconsistent tamps. We've got this little gizmo here, fantastic, absolute game changer. We love it. All right, one of the sides of the van. This is the customer facing side of the van with a huge amount of space, ambient temperature and refrigerated space for different foods. At Xpresso, we don't do heated food. It's all individually wrapped. So we've got our fridge, probably a little dark to see it. We've got our fridge and we've got plenty of food space in there for snacks. We want as many of our customers as possible buying food. So this is fantastic, that space. Obviously the cabin, the LDV G10's got as much or more tech than our friends at Mercedes-Benz Vito. So, you know, you don't need to spend the extra 20K on a Vito. We can get you into this little truck, longer warranty. It's got all the tech, it's fantastic. Come with me, we'll check out the other side. Okay, here we are on the non-customer facing side of the van, the left side of the van. In here, we've managed to put a freezer and another storage fridge for obviously refrigerated drinks and soft drinks and whatnot. But what I love about this is the way we power our van. So we've got our Victron technology that connects up to your smartphone. So that converts power from your 10 amp house, stores it into the battery so that we can run everything off the battery for our vans. No generators here, folks. It's all battery. It's fantastic. It's the future. Here we are, 2021. So one big thing we're doing in 2021 is we're using lithium-ion batteries. No more. We did have from time to time some battery issues with the older style batteries. A lot of changes in battery technology, obviously. Say no more, but lithium batteries is the way of the future. Without getting too technical, they have a better, they don't have a memory system, so they're much easier to charge, and you can run them right down to 10%. So no more of this, no more less than 50%, all that sort of thing. So some huge changes there, which we're really excited about. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We're super excited about 2021. We've got 4 launches. This is going to take us right past Easter into June and July, which we're super excited about, all over the country, from the top of Cairns right down to Melbourne. So super excited. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next year in Sydney.